Hi guys, I'm Mette and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today I'm here with Sophie and Frederick. So what are we going to do today, Sophie?
A surfer cut and a man bun.
Are you up for it, Frederick?
I'm ready.
Cool.
Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So the hairstyle is done. How do you like your new hair?
I like it a lot.
And Sophie, how did you style it?
I used Neon, SIDEKICK and POWERMADE for the man bun.
That sounds nice. So guys, remember to like the video and subscribe and comment down below what you think about this hairstyle. Then you can win 3 nice Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.